The following segment is sponsored by Cosset. Give the gift of relaxation this holiday season. David and Ashley are here to show us some of the best gifting ideas from Cosset that work for all budgets. Both of you, welcome to the show.
Thank you.
Thanks so much.
So you have something for everyone this holiday season, no matter what budget, so they can be relaxed. Let's start with your therapy bombs.
Okay, so of course our therapy bombs are bombs with benefits. So each one has a different unique benefit. For those who've been naughty this year, we've got the tube of coal, right?
There you go.
It's apocalypse. For those who've been nice, we've got candy cane. Recently, we reformulated all of our bath marbles that go in this to where they now use our same recipe as the therapy bombs.
Love it.
So they might be small, but they are mighty.
But they pack a punch. I love it.
They do. And we're actually giving one of these away on the segment. This is also Santa's workshop. It's great for both the young at heart and just all gift types.
Love it. The minute you said young at heart, you had me sold, because that describes me perfectly. You also have do-it-yourself bath salts. Now talk to me about that.
Yeah, so we have all the ingredients up here to make your own
Here
bath
we
salt.
go. Ta-da!
It is extremely easy and very quick.
All right, what's
to
step
whip
one?
up. So this is an example of some of the bath salts that you could create.
Oh,
it's very
look at
quick.
that. And look how cute that packaging is. And who doesn't love like a homemade gift that also helps you relax? Because that's what everyone
Absolutely.
wants in the holidays, is to be able to relax. All right,
Yeah.
what's step one?
So we have included in these bath salts salt from the Great Salt Lake, our very own Great Salt Lake, America's Dead Sea. There's so many
love
benefits to taking a bath with salt. Increase circulation, detoxifying, soothe your muscles and joints. It's really wonderful. We've added in these milk protein, which is just milk powder, and ground up oats or oatmeal flour.
Oh my gosh, all of this looks, I want to rub this all on my face right now.
So oatmeal and milk are amazing for your skin. They help slough off dead skin,
Absolutely.
help soothe dry skin. We have such harsh weather
Yes,
in
we
Utah.
do. My skin is feeling it. Okay.
And then we also, because we use an essential oil blend, we like to use a carrier oil.
Okay.
So we use high oleic safflower oil, which just means the high oleic part in that just means it is very rich in antioxidants and moisturizing oils to soothe your skin, smooth your skin. It'll make it feel soft and silky when you get out of the bath. And then we have used our Serenity Blend essential oils, which includes eucalyptus, rose, and jasmine. You could find that in our store or use your own, whatever you have on hand.
We love it.
Mix it all together, find some cute jars to put it in, and put a tag on it. Make sure you label it so they know that this salt is for the bath.
There you go. I'm relaxed already. And really quickly, you guys have some other gifts. Talk to us about that.
Yeah, so on top of these, if you're looking for like the most luxurious gift set, we have our You're the Bomb gift set. It's 12 of our very best therapy bombs, and it pairs so well with our all new perfect bath caddy for the ultimate bathing experience.
There you go. And we're almost out of time, but you guys are giving something away in our Fresh Giving giveaway. What is that?
That is our all new 12 count 2.6 ounce bath bombs. Like I said earlier, we reformulated all of these, so they're all now mini versions of our therapy bombs.
Perfect. We love it. Someone's going to be very happy to win that. Ashley and David, thank you so much for coming in. We've appreciated it.
Yeah.
Awesome.